How to make turmeric water at home. Turmeric water has a number of health benefits. While research on the effectiveness of turmeric is still ongoing, studies suggest that turmeric can help reduce inflammation, soothe pain, improve mental focus, improve mood, and more. Homemade turmeric water. To make this turmeric water you will need 1 cup warm water, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, lemon juice from half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, a pinch of cinnamon as needed. Add all the ingredients to a cup of warm water and mix well. Stir while drinking as the turmeric will sink to the bottom of the cup. Drink turmeric water every morning to reduce inflammation in the body, and for many other health benefits, see the description below this video.